Hi, my name is Pierce Howard, and I'm playing Dad.
I'm Jeffrey David Thomas, and I'm playing Joe.
Hi, I'm Samantha Joy, she, her pronouns, and I am mom.
Hey, Josh Bomba, I'm the dispatcher.
Jules, Reid, I am playing Samantha.
And I'm Gary, I'll be reading the stage directions as well. So I think we're ready to begin. An unknown number. The stage is set to suggest a living room, the sofa with a table on stage left, the door leading outside. At lights out, Samantha's talking on a cordless phone.
I don't know, it's only an hour layover. I might have time to grab a quick dinner at the airport. It depends on how far I have to run to change gates.
Won't they give you anything on the plane?
It's a 2-hour flight. I'll be lucky if they throw me a biscotti.
Well, when you get in, I'll take you out to dinner. My treat.
Thanks, Mom.
It'll be nice having you home again.
It'll be nice getting away from here, especially with the way that this winter's been. It hit full force about 3 weeks ago and it hasn't let up.
It's been a little chilly down here too. Oof. It's only got up to 70 yesterday.
Oh, already freaking hard, Mom. So I'll call you when the plane touches down.
Okay.
And thanks. I needed this. The past month has been, well, it's been something.
I know, sweetheart. I'm always here for you.
Thank you, Mom.
I need help.
Oh, yeah, I'm back. You don't say.
Yeah, it is. Have a safe trip. I'll see you tomorrow.
I love you.
I love you too, dear. Good night. Good night.
Samantha disconnects and places the phone down on the table. The howling of the wind picks up briefly. Samantha exits down the hallway. After a moment, the phone buzzes. The tone is harsh, almost angry sounding. Samantha re-enters, picks up the phone, examines the number. It's not one she recognizes. She answers.
Hello.
Hello, dear.
Mom. Weird, my phone didn't recognize your number.
It's me.
Dear. Yes, I know. What's up? Did you forget something?
I love you, sweetheart.
I love you too, Mom. Mom?
I need help.
Okay, what do you need?
Will you help me?
Mom, are you okay?
Go outside, dear.
Pause as the wind picks up fiercely for a beam subsides.
What?
Please, go outside, dear.
Are you alright, Mom?
There is no response. After a moment, Samantha disconnects. She looks at the front door. The wind is now a low yowl. She dials the number. The phone rings 3 times and goes to voicemail.
Hello, this is the Martin residence. No one is here to take your call, but leave your name and number and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Beep. Hey, Mom, it's me. Listen, I know this is a weird question, but did you just call me a moment ago? I mean, after we talked about tomorrow. Also, is this the old tape recorder answering machine? You might want to upgrade. It's a little weird calling me any dad's voice. So, yeah, call me back, alright? Love you.
She ends the call and is about to set the phone down on the table when it rings. She looks at the number. It's not one she recognizes. Hesitantly, she answers.
Hello.
Hello, sweetheart.
Who is this?
It's me.
No, it's not. Who the hell are you?
I need you to go outside.
I don't know why or how you're doing this, but
She is cut off by 3 tones of the number disconnected message. The number you're trying to reach is beep, beep, beep. The recording continues, but the voice is scrambled so that it sounds harsh and incoherent. After a 5th number, Samantha disconnects. She goes to the window and peers out. She sees nothing. She dials the number, and the phone rings once before answering.
Bronson Police Department.
hello. I was wondering if you could maybe send a patrol car over to 1648 Bell Drive. I think there may be someone lurking around outside my house.
Have you seen anyone?
No, but I've been getting these calls, prank calls. They keep telling me to go outside.
Would you describe the calls as threatening?
I feel threatened, yes.
Have they made any threats against you?
Not exactly, but I don't think they're trying to be funny. Also, I don't know how they're doing it, but
Yeah.
look, if there's a patrol car in the area, I'd really appreciate if they could drive by, maybe flash the lights a bit. You know, in case there's somebody out there, they'll know to knock it off.
I'll see if there's a black and white in the area.
Great. So, about how long?
And the storm has all emergency services stretched pretty thin at the moment. It could be several hours.
Hours.
In the meantime, you can call your provider to see about having the number blocked. And if you should see or hear anyone outside your home, call 911 immediately.
Great, thanks for the project.
You have a good night now.
Samantha disconnects.
Useless.
She puts the phone on the end table. She goes to the window and peers out. The phone rings. Samantha looks at the phone without touching it. It's another strange number.
Talk to voicemail, asshole.
The phone continues to ring. The wind picks up noticeably. Samantha exits down the hallway. After a beat, the phone goes to voicemail.
Hi, you've reached Sam's voicemail. Leave a message.
There's a beat followed by silence. Samantha re-enters carrying a shoebox. She looks at the phone. No new messages. She sits on the sofa.
We're waiting.
Samantha grabs the phone and disconnects the cord. The wind grows fierce outside. The door begins to rattle and scream. After a beat, Samantha reconnects the cord and dials the number. It rings twice.
Hey,
Please don't hang up.
you need something?
Joe, you know what? This was probably a mistake.
Yeah. I'd say the odds are highly in favor of this being a mistake.
I just really,
What? Okay, I'm hanging
I
up.
think I'm in trouble.
What kind of trouble?
Some crazy person keeps calling me.
I know the feeling.
Great, I really need you to be a dick right now.
Okay. So, what, you have a prank caller?
I think it might be more than that. I think they're outside my house.
Outside your house right now?
Yes.
Sam, do you know how cold it is right now? It's like freeze your nuts off below zero out.
I know, but still,
Did you call the police?
yes. Surprise, you weren't the first person I thought of for help. They might send a car by in a few hours, that's it. They also suggested having the number blocked, but it's a different number every time they call.
And so you want me to come over in the middle of the night, in the worst storm of the year, to scare off a boogeyman?
I'm sorry, Joe. I'm a little freaked out here.
Sam, never having to worry about your latest drama is the only thing I got out of the divorce, okay? You got the house, you got the cat, and all I got to be was disinherited from you and your problems. Please don't take that away from me.
Some lunatic is out to get me, Joe.
It's all in your head, Sam.
This is real.
I didn't say it wasn't real. I just said it was in your head.
I'm not crazy, Joe.
You're functional, Sam. That's not the same thing. At least you were functional. I heard about the job. I'm sorry. And I know you don't want to hear it, but please, get yourself some help. You're turning into a real train wreck.
Joe,
Yeah?
your cat died.
Oh, serious?
Samantha hangs up. She puts the phone down on the end table and goes to the shoebox sitting on the sofa. She takes the lid off of it. She looks inside. The phone rings. She reaches for it but pauses. She needs to test a hypothesis. She closes her eyes. The phone stops ringing.
Hello?
Hello, dear.
She opens her eyes.
I'm not crazy.
We know, dear.
Who is this?
It's me, dear. Come outside.
You're not her. Who are you?
Sweetheart.
It's me. I need you to listen.
He's dead. Who the hell are you?
Ma'am, I'm going to need you to step outside.
You are crazy, Sam. I'm sorry.
How are you doing this?
The number you're trying to reach is go outside. It's unavailable.
Open the door, sweetheart.
Why are you doing this?
It's so cold out here.
Let your mom in, darling.
Your mom's freezing her nuts off out there.
Ma'am, please just open the door.
We're waiting for you.
Stop it!
We just need you to open the door.
Open it, Sam.
Ma'am, the black and white is waiting for you outside.
Please, dear.
Sam,
Sweetheart.
let me in!
Fine.
Samantha goes to the shoebox, reaches in and pulls out a gun. She goes to the door.
You right out.
Samantha opens the door and steps out, gun at the ready. The wind has died down completely. There is nothing outside. After a moment, Samantha lowers the gun and turns back to go inside. The wind picks up immediately and the door slams shut. The doorknob turns frantically as the wind howls louder and louder, building to a crescendo before dying completely. The stage is silent for a beat. The phone rings. It goes to voicemail.
Hi, you've reached Sam's voicemail. Leave a message.
Beep.
Sam, it's your mother. I got your message. Is everything okay? You seemed worried.
There's a sound of the phone being picked up.
Hello.
Sam, are you okay?
I'm fine. I love you.
I'd say in the back.
Hi, I'm Quinton Walker. I play Z, or Reid for Z.
I'm Janeil Crawley, and I'm going to be reading for a while. It's here.
What?
It.
How do you know?
I just do. I can sense it. Sense it.
You have sixth sense now?
I'm not joking.
I know.
What do I do?
Is it in the room with you?
No, it's in the hall.
And what makes you so sure?
I can feel it. It is in the hall, and I need help.
Well, I'm too far away.
Obviously.
So?
I need your help. Now! What do I do?
Sit?
Sit.
Sit.
Sit. Is that it?
Maybe it will go away. Sit it out.
That's no good.
Why?
You know that doesn't work.
Yeah. Sorry.
So?
Hide?
Hide from it? It? Are you
I
mad?
don't know, right? I'm sorry. I just don't know.
Great.
What am I supposed to do? To say?
It's alright. You can't do anything.
Sorry.
There's nothing. I'll just have to.
What? You there?
It's
What?
inside.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Don't move.
I'm not.
Where is it?
Inside.
Yes, but where inside?
By the door.
Can you see it?
No.
Well, then how? Where are you?
By the wall.
Stay still.
Yeah.
Very still.
I can't breathe.
Try. Slow, deep breaths. Good. Lower your voice.
Yes.
Whisper. Where is it now?
Close.
Breathe.
It's so hot. I can't breathe.
Hot.
It's so very hot.
I don't understand.
I.
Breathe. I can't hear you breathing.
It's. It.
What?
It is getting close.
Move.
I can't.
You can. Slowly.
I can't.
Move slowly, 1 foot at a time.
I'll try.
Slowly. Sideways. Hey. Hey, talk to me.
Moved. 1 step. To my left.
Where is it now?
It followed me. So hot. I can't breathe.
Stay with me. Try to breathe. Slow. Deep.
I
Can you,
can't.
Can you get to your balcony?
I will try.
Go.
Once.
Step out onto it.
Why?
It will be cooler, fresh air.
Right.
How far to go?
3 steps to my left, maybe 2.
Go.
So hot.
Next step. Now.
I can't move.
You've got to try.
Then what? What do I do on the balcony? Admire the view? What?
There's no other choice.
What?
I'm sorry.
I need fresh air.
I'm with you. Okay, first step.
First step.
And breathe.
It is right.
Another step.
I can't. It's everywhere.
Step. Hey. Are you?
Ah!
What happened? Hey. Hey, talk to me. Is it still there? Breathe. Breathe. Say something. Whisper. Say something. Wait, what is that? If you can hear me, there's something, it's suddenly so very hot.
I'm Josh Graff, and I'm going to be Dave.
We're going to say instructions again. I just want to give you all a heads up. Dave is playing both a present version of Dave and then like a future recorded version of himself. So there'll be two things going on. Just be aware that's what's happening. All right. Spam calls from hell by Brian Rust. Interior living room. Dave and Ruby sit on the couch together, each peacefully reading. Dave with a castle on his leg and a watch on his wrist. Sound effect phone ring. Ruby sighs as Dave reaches for the phone.
It might be.
A new job, I know.
Hello?
Already be eligible for an extension on your warranty. Press 1 to find out more. Press 2 to be placed.
Dave dismissed it all.
That same stupid one again.
The silent one, the Chinese one, or the one that starts halfway through the recording?
The last one. I hate to say it, but I miss the days when I actually knew what they would sell.
Masochist. Be right back.
Ruby exits. Dave just has time to pick up the movie fan when the phone rings. Dave groans and answers it.
Warranty. Press 1 to find out more. Press 2 to be placed on our do not call list. Press 4 to hear a message from yourself from 2 days in the future. Press.
Dave hangs up and takes a double switch.
Wait. What was that last one?
Ruby answers looking for the mail.
Were you talking to me, hon?
Yeah, no, it was another spam call, but this time it said something weird like.
Ringing. Dave answers it. Clicking the speakerphone. They both lean in listening.
Press 4 to hear a message from 2 days in the future. Press 5 to hear tonight's movie times at the Chestnut Hill Theater.
There's a silent running back and forth as Dave presses the button.
Dave, there's a loose floorboard in the bathroom closet. There's a trap door under it. For the love of God, do not go down there. Don't hear it. Don't let.
Phone disconnects.
What the hell?
That's not what I was expecting.
What even was that?
That's the weirdest part. It sounded like you, hon.
What? No, I don't sound like that. Do I? Am I really that nasally?
I mean, I could just go check.
Ruby exits.
But this makes no sense. Like, why tell us about? It's like that game where they tell you not to picture a pink elephant, right? I mean,
You hear the sounds of Ruby and Mystery moving clutter around and wrapping on the floor.
Oh, wow.
Phone rings. Dave picks up immediately.
Please press 1 to listen to our menu again. Press 2 to listen to wind blowing across a cactus. Press 3 to listen to kittens. Fluffy, fluffy kittens. Press 5 to listen to a message from 3.6 days in the future. Press 8.
Dave jumps the number.
Dave! Hey, Dave Areno. Hey, you're gonna get some weird phone calls, and they're just spam, okay? Just folks messing with you, so don't pick up, right? Don't listen to any of them. Just stupid spam. Just ignore the phone for a couple. Wait, what day is it? Shit, it's too late.
Phone disconnects.
Hello? Hello?
Ruby crosses through, looking determined.
What's up?
Your weird psychic phone message. There is a trap door, but it's locked or wedged or something.
She exits and walks through again carrying a toolbox and a crowbar.
Whoa, hold on. Someone's messing with us. Let's think this through.
Sounds of hammering from offstage.
Okay, hey, remember your cousin, Robbie, who got so mad after we posted that video of him dancing on TikTok? This is probably him getting revenge, right? Don't you think? Honey?
Carefully and painfully, Dave gets his crutches over him and gets upright. He's about to start moving towards the bedroom when ring ring. He lays heavily back on the couch and dives for the phone.
Robbie, you son of a bitch, we know it's you.
Press 8 for the sound of an orca attacking a seal. Press 9 for a forgotten nightmare you had as a child. hold an iambic pentameter. For a simple solution to your current problem, press 831-37592-600-421. Press 3 to listen to a message from 4 days in.
Dave drops the number.
Dave, this is extremely important. Check the time, right now. If it's before 2 o'clock, you've got to stop Ruby. Tackle her, shoot her, set fire to the place, anything. Just keep her from going down there. If it's after 2, I'm sorry, man. She's gone. You'll see something with her face. But that's not Ruby anymore.
Ruby enters, hammer in one hand.
Hon, is that another call?
I'm so sorry. I should have been faster. I should have never... I fucked up. I'm so sorry.
Hon?
Dave slowly, carefully lifts his wrist so he can check the time. Blackout.
Come on.